Hello, welcome. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on NewsX. A happy Republic Day to all our viewers. India is celebrating its 76th Republic Day with the iconic parade at Kartavya Path, all set to take place shortly. This day marks the 75th anniversary of India's constitution coming into effect. Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto will be gracing India's 76th Republic Day celebrations at Kartavya Path in a grand showcase of the two countries' long-standing ties. India's first Republic Day celebrations in 1950 were also graced by then Indonesian President Sukarno. President Prabowo, who's on his first state visit to India, will be the fourth Indonesian president to attend India's Republic Day celebrations. A 352-member marching and band contingent from Indonesia will participate in the parade at Kartavya Path in the national capital. This will be the first time that an Indonesian marching and band contingent will also take part in a National Day parade abroad. Mehendi Garg is joining us for more details on this story. Mehendi, how soon will that much-awaited Republic Day parade be starting, and what is the significance in the choice of the Indonesian president as chief guest?
Well, yes, so the stage is set to celebrate the 76th Republic Day. And right now, firstly, I would like to show you the visuals as well, because the national capital is completely decorated to, mark this day more beautifully. And you can see the visuals behind me as well. This is the central Delhi area, the Mandi House area, where there is a decoration that has been done. Happy Republic Days, decoration has been done all around in the national capital. And also talking about the security arrangements that have been done there. The visuals are very clear there. You can see that the barricading has been done around the national capital area. The roads that leads to the Kartavya Path area, the barricading has been done. The police has been deployed in surrounding areas as well. So yes, now the preparations are ongoing and the security deployment is completely visible around the national capital area as well. But talking about the minute-to-minute program that will be happening, then yes, the movement will start around 9:53 a.m. of the Defense Secretary, and around 9:54 a.m. Air Chief, Navy Chief and Army Chief officers will be moving towards the National War Memorial. And after that, at around 10:05 a.m., the Prime Minister will arrive at National War Memorial and will be received by the Raksha Mantri, and also the Prime Minister will proceed to lay the wreath escorted by the CDS and also the three service chiefs. And after that, today, talking about the minute-to-minute program that we are sharing with our viewers as well on this very special day, we can say very auspicious day. Then at 10:07 a.m., the Prime Minister will lay the wreath at National War Memorial, and the guard will present the Salami Shastra and also the Shok Shastra. So the buglers sound the last post, and also the officers in uniform will salute and remain in saluting position till the last note of the last post is played. And it is a very important day as well, because India is all set to celebrate the 76th Republic Day, and the special focus is on the 75 years of enactment of the Constitution. So around 10,000 special guests from different walks of life will be witnessing the parade as well. And 31 tableau to roll down the Kartavya Path on the theme of Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas, first and tri-services tableau to display the spirit of jointness and also the integration among the armed forces. And talking about the cultural programs there, then yes, around 5,000 artists will cover entire Kartavya Path for the very first time, and the cultural performances will take place. And after that, also around 10,000 special guests have been invited to witness the parade as well. So at 10:30 hours, it is expected that the Republic Day parade will start and run for a duration of approx 90 minutes, and the ceremony will also commence with the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the National War Memorial, and also he will lead the nation in paying solemn tribute to the fallen heroes.
Absolutely. Yes, let me also, in fact, quickly join Captain Sanjay Karve, former